Welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. I am your instructor Mahesh Patil. In this lesson, we will dive into relational and equality operators. Let's start with relational, which is also called as comparison operators. There are four types of relational operators. One is greater than, second is less than, third is less than equal to, fourth is greater than equal to. Let me demonstrate with a quick example. We will create a variable. We'll variable result is equal to 6 greater than 7. Let me just try to run this and see the output. The output of the relational operators or comparison operators or equality operators is always a boolean. So it shows either true or false. Let me run it. Node, give the file name eq.js. You see, it is false because 6 is not greater than 7. I will just change to less than. 6 is less than 7, which is true. So the output should be true. 6 is less than or equal to. 6 is less than is, but it is not equal to, but it is less than. So the output will be true again. So I will change it greater than equal to. The output 6 is neither greater than or nor it is equal to. So the output will be false. So this is all about the relational or comparison operators. Let me clear the output this thing. So let's move to next operator, which is called as equality operators. So for that, let me just comment this thing. Okay, let me create a new variable x is equal to 1 and let me compare it. X is equal to, I'm comparing with string actually, which is even though the number, if you see, I put it at in the code. So it has become string. So the reason for this thing is I wanted to explain about the two equality operators here, which is one is loose equality. So and the other is the strict equality. Loose equality means it will compare only the values, ignore the data types. So what is the value here? 1 and the x value is 1. So the output will be true. Let me You see, the output is true. So in order to compare both value and the data type, you have to use one more equal to, three equals, which is called strict equality. It compares both value and data type. Let me run it again. So the output will be this time false because the data type is string, but here the value of x is a number. So let me just recap. Relational operators are less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Equality operators are two types, loose equality and a strict equality. So all these operators returns a boolean, either true or false. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.